Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel and do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to be notified. Also, do let me know how you feel the readings are, and if you're not a part of my WhatsApp group where we update small tips, where we update from time to time our new workshops and the new YouTube videos which come mainly for WhatsApp members, it is shown first and then it is listed publicly. So if you want to be a part of that, then you can WhatsApp to 63806 77131. You will be added in the WhatsApp group where you will know how and when our new workshops come and when our new videos are uploaded, for not for the readings but for various other things. We also have our own Telegram group for WICCA where we share tips and everything related to WICCA. So if you want to be a part of that group also, you can again connect with 63806 77131 and they would add you to the respective group. So let's see what is in the readings today. So I had to put a pause, sorry. Let's see what is coming today. Beautiful card, clear your energy. So maybe something is stagnant, energies need to get cleared, and generosity. I feel today the color needs to be white. That's what I'm getting when I'm looking at the cards. And moreover, maybe in the morning have bath with little bit of coffee powder in your water so that the energy clearing, what the cards are indicating, that happens and the energies get cleared. And also chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times today to start your day with no obstacles. But let's see what is more in cards today. Sometimes this clearing of energies may also be fear, may also be obstacles of the daily challenges that we are facing. So I want to say even one more thing. Today in the evening between 6:30 to 8:30, if you can burn camphor with cloves in it, it will clear any energies in the house. Anyways, morning I have asked you all to have a bath with coffee powder. And the next card basically is, be generous. If do some donation, that's what it is. I feel the card is saying to donate something today, to be generous enough to give with heart, because I always say whatever we give the universe, we get 10 times back of what we are giving. So why not spread smiles today, donate something for poor people, so that Lord Ganesha blesses us with more energies, happiness and prosperity. Overall, I feel a day is good. Just clear your energies and you will get clarity, and you will be focused on your work, and you will surely have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.